TOEFL Integrated Speaking Task 6, Listening, Speaking, Academic. You will listen to part of a lecture. You will then be asked a question about it. After you hear the question, you will have 20 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Answer the question clearly and coherently, using information from the lecture. Listen to the passage. On a piece of paper, take notes on the main points of the listening passage. Tornadogenesis, or the process of the formation of a tornado, cannot yet be fully described by atmospheric scientists. However, they do know the components needed to form a tornado, and from this they have created three main theories for the formation of tornadoes. The majority of tornadoes are formed within supercell thunderstorms. The type of thunderstorm that is responsible for the strongest and the most destructive tornadoes. Tornadoes form most often within supercell thunderstorms because these storms always rotate due to the high vertical wind shear, which simply means that winds that increase in speed and change direction with height of the environment in which these storms grow. This is a foundation on which a tornado builds upon through a three-step process of tilting, stretching, and squeezing. Another theory is the bottom-down theory. This theory states that a horizontal circulation forms along the gust front of cool descending air ahead of the storm that collides with warm, moist ascending air that feeds the storm's updraft. As this collision occurs, the warm, moist air is thrust over the top of the cooler air, and since they are headed in opposite directions, a rotating vortex of air develops between them. This circulation looks very similar to that but it forms as a result of the storm's own wind fields rather than because of the environmental conditions present before the storm developed. Regardless, both theories are similar in that this horizontal circulation is then lifted to a vertical position by the strong updraft. This causes the mesoclone to form. And as the mesoclone is stretched vertically by the updraft, the rotational winds increase and the tornado forms. Although the majority of tornadoes are created by supercells, there are also some that are created by other means. These tornadoes are called landspouts and typically form within a squall line. They are created by sharp change in wind speed and direction between air masses at different temperatures. This creates horizontal wind shear, which can become strong enough to be stretched to form a tornado. These tornadoes are typically much weaker and cause much less damage. One unique aspect on landspouts is that they can often line up along the leading edge of a thunderstorm Explain three theories regarding tornado formation. Pause the video to record your response.